Well, just wanted to show everybody our weather. We're supposed to get 13 to 16 inches. There's Kristen out there trying to dig a path for Peanut.
This is so heavy.
Huh?
This is so heavy.
I'll bet it's heavy. Look at this. We gotta
lift it. And all it's doing is sticking to the shovel.
Yeah. It's pretty nasty out there. Kristen's been out there all night off and on trying to dig Peanut a path. It's not very pretty. So there's a little skinny path here that Peanut can walk down to go out. Try to go potties. It'll be all filled by tomorrow too. So hopefully the snow is going to stop soon. Very nasty. It's been doing this since 7 o'clock, coming down over an inch an hour, maybe between 1 and 2 inches. So it's not very nice here. Okay, Kristen. Get Peanut a skinny path.
Give me a stretcher.
A stretcher, yeah. Okay, honey. Come on, Peanut, you gotta go out.